Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Taotronics LED floor lamp. Better lighting, better living. So let's check it out. Oops. Alright, so it all comes in the box, as you can tell. You assemble each portion individually. It can be up to 66 inches, which is about 5.5 feet. So this lamp can be pretty tall. Okay, just Taotronics. Okay, DC power cord, and just 2-prong, which is good. Okay. Looks like this is the base. And now I did see the materials, and this is iron. So it's not going anywhere. So that's awesome. It's heavy, it's solid, it's got rubber feet, so you'll be able to just sit it wherever, and then the base will go on there. I will have pictures of it since I will assemble it later on, right there on the website too. But just to give you guys an idea of what we're looking at, there's a tube, and then you just stand them up like this, and you assemble them all as they go. Each of them is individual. You'll screw them in together. Now, the head does swivel, see, so it's all articulating completely, which is great. Let me show you the top, because your controls are here, on, off, and modes, which I believe change the level of intensity of your light. And it does have a diffuser, which makes it also not look very harsh when it lights up, you know, instead of clear and each individual LED kind of shining really bright. So this will help it make it look kind of just like more natural, not very harsh on your eyes. And it is also fairly stable too when we stand it up. But yeah, as you can tell, see, this articulates and moves completely. And yeah, this has been the unboxing of the LED floor lamp by Taotronics. But like I said, I will be uploading pictures of it as well on the website, just so you guys can get a chance to see it. Yeah, thank you.